What's up, Road to Riches family? We are back doing a stock market analysis. We'll be taking a look at some of the stocks I've been talking about in the past few weeks and the overall market. So currently, I'm up over 200 in the past week. SPY, the SP 500 ETF, reached its high of the year. So the SPY had went on a loser streak in June, but it turned it around at the end of that month, going into the start of this month. So on July 12th is when we started to get over that resistance at 443 and started running up. So currently SPY is at 454, but its all-time peak is at 477. So look to use that $477 area as a resistance. If we go up over that, we could look for even more of a run, or we could probably hit that resistance and get a little pullback. So be on the lookout for that $477 area. Carvana stock is up over $49 today. They moved their earnings to 8 a.m. today. They actually reported an agreement to reduce their debt by $1.2 billion. Carvana also reported a slightly smaller than expected loss for the second quarter. Carvana stock spiked as much as 27% in the pre-market and was at $58. Now, when this stock hit $58, I was going crazy this morning. I couldn't even believe it because last night we was already at $36. So I woke up, seen the stock at like $50, and I was just going crazy. So there were many funds showing this stock. So we could see an even higher short squeeze today or this upcoming week. So Carvana surged today on strong earnings results and a debt restructuring deal. Also, many hedge funds, again, are short, so they have to buy to cover their positions, which would make this stock go up even more. Tesla is nearing its highs from last year, September 2022. The stock was around $309, and now we are currently at $295 this morning. So be on the lookout for that resistance ahead. Tesla is up 65% in the last 3 months. The last 3 months was just crazy, and over 10% in the last week. Tesla has an earnings call today, and after the bell, I believe. Those earnings calls are important for investors to understand the future and the overall current conditions of the business. So stay on point with those earnings calls. Many people are hype about the Cybertruck. I see Tesla just built their first one, and it's a lot of expectations. So be on the lookout for those events and what's going on with the Cybertruck and things like that. Nvidia is at an all-time high. This stock been going crazy in the past week too. AI sector has been doing well this year. Nvidia sells GPUs, which are special chips that are used to train these big new AI models. For its upcoming quarter, Nvidia forecasts $11 billion in revenue, so it's up 64% from a year earlier in revenue. Most of that growth is coming from the AI demand, especially in this data center space. So be on the lookout for Nvidia, and this is one of the top % gainers of the year. So be on the lookout for this stock. Shopify is up to $67 and is up also over 95% in the last year. Shopify, many people use Shopify to create their online businesses, whether it's drop shipping, selling merch, or anything like that. I like Shopify because I actually use them for my print-on-demand business, which you can see down below in the description. And they have they got a good business model. They're always updating their site, and I believe it costs about $30 a month to have a Shopify store. So when you first start off though, I think they give you like 2-3 months free or at a discount. And then after that, you got to pay like $30 a month to keep your site running and stuff like that. They've been doing well on their EPS in the last 3 quarters. So let's see how quarter 2 goes for Shopify. The trade desk, ticker symbol TTD, was at $90 on July 17th. Now, this is the marketing company that we mentioned a few weeks ago. So be on the lookout for the trade desk, and let's see where they go. As far as the news for the trade desk goes, the only news I seen was some analysts saying that they were going to sell their shares of the stock, or that people should sell. But hey, take that news or any news with a grain of salt, because a lot of this news could be subjective to other people's thoughts or whatever you just thinking. So that's really it for the day. The SPY is at an all-time high this year, so we've been on a crazy bull run in these past few weeks. We did get a little bit of a pullback in June, but let's see how the overall markets go. I'm really excited for that $477 area in the SPY. But make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe for that YouTube algorithm, and I'll see y'all in the next video.